Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got an easy and quick workout for you guys that is very ballet inspired and also perfect for beginners. So if you're ready, let's go. So I'm first going to start off with alternating toe lifts. So I'm lifting one heel after another, switching sides, and my hands, they're totally free. I'm doing whatever I felt like. So if you want to keep them to the side, it's totally fine, or you can go with the flow like I am. Making sure that our stomach is nice and tight, our shoulders are down, and we're keeping a nice posture the entire time. So now feet together, and we are going to go into a plie, and then we're going to go into releve. So plie, releve, all in the sixth position. I'm bringing my hands forward and then out to the side as I'm lifting. Again, keeping your posture here. Don't let that stomach go. Don't let those shoulders go. Don't slouch, don't arch. Try to keep it all in balance. Alright, so now we're gonna just do releves, just up and down with those toes. And you can do whatever arms you want. You can go forward and then up, or you can go forward and out to the side like I am. Just keep lifting those heels. This is a great workout for your calves. In a second, we are gonna come for a squat. Forward and then bring it out to a second position squat, and then other side squat, feet together. So second position squat, feet together squat, second position squat, feet together squat. So my arms are just kind of going with the flow. They're going forward, and then one is coming out to the side, and again forward, and then one out to the side, other side. Good. Just make sure that when you're doing the second position squat that your tailbone is tucked under, so we're not sticking our butt out. Make sure that your posture is nice and straight, your stomach is in, everything is working. Alright, so after this, we're going to pause on one side and just hold here and squat, squat, squat. So pulsing it out on one side, then we're going to pulse it out in the plie squat, and then we're going to pulse it out on the other side. And I have my arms out in first position, and get ready. We're going to go to plie squat and just pulse it out here. I am bringing my arms out into first, and then fifth, and then around. And let's come to plie squat on the other side. Good. Keeping that strong core. Don't arch here, don't slouch here, shoulders down. Good, and we're gonna hold here. Good, hold, hold, hold. And we're gonna come to second position and hold that plie squat. Hold it, hold it, hold it. And other side plie squat, feet together. Hold it. We're doing almost like a chair position here. And up. So just take a breather here. Take a moment to collect yourself before we go down to the ground. And now would be a good time to get a mat if you'd like. So once you're ready, we're gonna get on all fours. And we're going to lift one leg and lift one arm. And they are opposite. So not the same arm, same leg. And we're just gonna crunch in and stretch it out. Crunch in, stretch it out, taking this movement very slowly so that your balance doesn't fall out or something. We're also trying to keep a straight line here with our back, so no arching, no slouching, just making a nice line. Keep going. Don't forget to stretch that leg as much as you can, point it. The leg is turned in, so try not to turn it out. Alright, we're going to keep both leg and arm stretched, and we're just going to go up and down, still keeping it opposite. Good, we're gonna bend that arm slightly and leg and just go up and down, kind of the same movement, except the leg is bent and so is the arm. We don't necessarily need to crunch here. We're just paying attention to the arm and leg, still keeping that leg turned in as well and keeping that straight line with your back. Good, last one, and we're finished. We're just gonna come for some arm exercises. So we're gonna bring our arm all the way to fifth and down, to fifth and down. Keeping those shoulders down, stomach is nice and tight. Don't let go of your posture. One more, and we're gonna bring it to fifth and around and down. Bring it to fifth and around and down. Keep going. I know those arms are burning, but it's gonna be so worth it. Last one, and we're gonna switch directions. So we're going from around and then up to fifth and down. Around, up to fifth and down. Keeping that posture nice and straight. Try not to lift your shoulders in this movement. I know it's hard, but just really try your best here. And also, if you want to follow the movement, follow your hands with your head. Try to feel this movement. And we're going to come up and down with swan arms. Just up and down. Keeping those shoulders down, stomach nice and tight. Doing great, we're almost there, and then we're gonna be finished with the arms. Good, finish, and let's bring it on to the other side, and we're gonna repeat the butt workout. So first stretch the leg and arm opposite, and we're just gonna crunch in and stretch it out. Crunch in, stretch it out. Again, this is opposite, so try not to do the same leg, same arm, and we're trying to keep a straight line with our back. Good, just keep it stretched now, up and down, so stretched arm, stretched leg, pointing that toe, stretching the leg, 2 times 8. Good, last one, and get ready to bend that arm and bend the leg. Leg is turned in, so try not to turn that hip out, and just up and down. Good, this is really gonna work your butt and your hamstrings. Good, last one. We're gonna come to our knees. Actually, you can sit in any position you want. And we're gonna do some final arm movements. So coming out to first and then out to the side. So first and out to the side. First position, out to the side. Keeping those shoulders down, stomach in. Good, so now we're gonna come for first and then out to the side and down. First, out to the side and down and around. So instead of going from down and up, we're going from up and down. Keeping those shoulders down and stomach tight. Don't lose your posture. Good, and let's take it the other way. So now we are gonna go down, around, and up. So down, around, and up. So down, around, and into first. And good, keep going. Stomach is nice and tight, shoulders down, don't lose it. Good, let's come for some baby swan arms. So just going up to the shoulder and down. Good, last one, shake it out, catch your breath, relax those arms, and we're gonna come onto our butt, and we're gonna come for a boat posture, and we're just gonna have the arms out in fifth, and just tap our feet down, and then the other side. So we're just tapping our toes, one side, then the other side, keeping those toes pointed, trying to lift those knees high. Good, now we're gonna come for boat to canoe. Our hands are going and arms are going in first position and just up and down. Now we can add a little bit momentum by bringing the arms out to the side and then up as we're going up with the body. Good, stretch the legs and then bend them, and then stretch. Keeping that stomach nice and tight, belly button tucked in. Good, let's hold that boat, and now we're gonna go twisting to the side and kind of letting the arms swim. So just kind of going with the movement. Good, twisting to the side, one side and then the other side. And we're gonna hold in first, and we're just gonna twist, 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 much faster, double speed. Last one, and release. Good, so just kind of catch your breath, take a moment, massage your legs, beat them a little bit. And we're gonna come for a quad stretch, so bend the leg behind you, bending the one in front. And you can go all the way down with your body, or you can stay up like I am. And just stretch those legs out. And let's bring it onto the other side. Good, and let's come up and let's stretch those hip flexors. So we're just gonna do a pigeon position, but our leg is really turned in, our hip is turned in. You're kind of sitting on that foot, basically. So we're really stretching the hip flexor here, stretching that leg behind you. And let's take it to the other side, stretching the leg behind you, sitting on your foot, keeping that hip turned in, really feeling it in your hip. Good, and release, and let's come for cow face. So stacking those knees on top of each other, and we can just kind of swing around, making a circle. And other side, and again, can make circles around, really loosening up that hip and butt. And let's release. And we're gonna come for a few arm stretches, so you can sit however you want. I'm sitting in easy pose, and I'm just stretching my arm to the side. The arm is going under, and other side. Good, stretch the neck to the side, stretch it to the other side. Stretching your head down with your hands behind and coming down all the way. And just kind of swing it out, rock side to side. Good, come up, and we're finished. So I hope you guys liked that workout, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!